All right, we got a 335i single turbo bottom mount. Comes with a bumper delete from factory, or at least that's how they brought it to me. All right, we're gonna change out the spark plug, used spark plugs, with more used spark plugs to hopefully stop these misfires. Is that the issue? One of them. Consistency between spark plugs. So we're gonna put these in, and they're gonna be all gapped to 0.18. And he shouldn't have any more misfires, but he should also have a more linear fire. Like, it's a better spark. All right, folks, so everything's put back together. Spark plugs are torqued down to 80 foot-pounds, like it says in all of the books. No, I'm just playing with you. It's 17 foot-pounds. I guess we're good to go. Just refilling the catch can.
Sponsored by
Chill Tea. So we also have a window malfunction that we're gonna try to fix. I have